comments. Drop your comments. Drop your reactions. Let me see enough reactions, and then we start. It's already 8:36. 6 minutes already gone. So today we'll be treating. Oh, sorry. Today we'll be treating naming organic compounds. How is it? Is it okay? Huh? Okay. I'll drop your comments. Drop your reactions if you're already here with me. Welcome to today's live class. Welcome. I can see your reactions here. Kindly drop them. Let's start, please. Wave your hands. Wave your hands. Okay. So if you're actually here and you are currently with us, I want you to type there ready. Type it there ready. That you are ready. Bring it out, bring it out. Ready, ready, ready. Okay. Type it there, ready. When I see ready, I know you're ready. Let's go, guys. And I hope you can hear me though. Yeah, I can see the ready. I've seen 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on coming. Bring it, bring it. Keep on coming, keep on coming. Okay, good. Let's start then. There's no time to waste. We only have just 60 minutes to finish this thing. Naming organic compounds. There's no need of us, like today's topic is specifically under the topic organic chemistry. So we're not actually, am I clear? We're good? I'm not actually going to organic chemistry or going to organic compounds. We're not doing that today. We are specifically talking about how to name organic compounds. But before we do this, guys, yeah, let's just let's take some little things you need to understand before you name organic compounds. A very good example now. Let's start from here. Example 1. We have a compound that goes like this. Is the green showing? How is it now? How is it now? Is it still far? It's not still clear. Is it the marker or something? Please. Is it the marker? Okay, let me change the marker then. How is it now? Ask them, how is it? Check their reactions. How is it? Is it clear? Is it clear now? Please confirm. Is it clear now? Okay. Now let's go then. Okay, so looking at this compound here, this is a typical example of an organic compound. How do we name such compound? It's a very simple thing. It's a very what? Simple thing. Now, write in your notes now. What I did is I create a formula that I call, let's use this space for the formula, then we use this space for naming. Like we did in our electrolysis class. I'm going to share the body into 2. We use one place for understanding it, and we use the other place for naming. So I create a formula that I call PRS. PRS. Maybe you understand these 3 things, understand how to name organic compound. PRS. Now, what does this individual guys mean here? What does this individual guys mean? Are you ready? Now, P in this case, it sounds or it goes as prefix, and R goes as root, and then S goes as suffix. That's enough of these three formulas I create to name organic compound. Before we now treat prefix, root, and suffix, let us treat one thing. Let's treat one thing, and that's called what? Terms in organic chemistry. Terms in organic chemistry. Please write it down. Number one, homologous series. Number two, functional group. Oh, but still, let me use I think the blue is showing, only the green is not showing. So the acronym for the terms is HFA. So number one, homologous series. Number two, functional group. Number three, alkyl group. These are the three terms you need to understand to name organic compounds. Okay, I can see their messages. Are you ready? Now, we're going to treat each of them. After we understand these three, we'll now come back to these three formulas in naming organic compound. So let's pick them one by one. What is homologous series? Are you ready? What is homologous series? I'm trying to be watching you guys live here, so I can be sure. Sorry? So I can be sure you're actually hearing me. Let me watch you guys here too. This thing is okay. I think it's loading now. So what is homologous series? Right. Homologous series is a family of organic compound. Homologous series is a family of organic compound that follows a regular structural pattern. To make it very fast, this is how you can write it. H, right? Homologous series is a what? A family of organic compound. A family of organic compound that's it, that follows a regular structural pattern. Follows a regular structural pattern. Pardon me, I'm writing in short form, please. That follows a what? A regular structural pattern in which each successive member differs in molecular formula C. Sorry, okay, let's say it again. Homologous series is a family of organic compound that follows a regular structural pattern in which each successive member differs in molecular formula CH2. That's it. Well, the definitive one is not really the main aim for today. The definition is not the main aim. What we need to really understand this night is how this HFA applies in any organic compound. So, you know, we have so many organic compounds, so many of them, so many. We have over 2 million identified organic compounds currently. Even in your air, there's an organic compound. In your skin, there's an organic compound. In wood, in alcohol, there's an organic compound. What is it? Alcohol is an organic compound. The cream you use, almost everything around you are organic compounds or contains organic compounds. I get something here. So what we'll do is this, to make it easy for us to understand, we share them into families. Because it's more easy, just like the way Nigeria, if you're from Nigeria here, just like the way Nigeria is shared into 3 major ethnic groups, the Hausas, the Yorubas, and the Igbos. With this, it's very much more easy to study them. Of course, we have the minority. Do you get something here? Yeah. Now, that family, now, what I want you guys to do now, for me, is this. I will list out the families. I like to explain to my son like this. In your notes, write out all the families like this, and leave enough space in the front. So I'll give you number 1 family, number 2 family, number 3 family. We will come back and treat the family. Don't forget, a family is like this. A family has several members under itself. You get some. What is the problem? I've bumped up already, please. Let's continue, Biko. So what you can do for me is what? Is just to write down. I'm gonna okay. Let me. I don't want to wrap up the board. Let me manage this space for you. So do it like this. So there's enough space. I will still write new things here. One of the space, write homologous series. So I'll give you number one, number two. I'll give you like 10 homologous series. Do you copy? Are you there? I think it's too zoomed though. Reduce it. No, but it's too much. I can't see the message. Reduce it. What? Don't worry, don't worry. No, it's not me. They're not to themselves. I think you have to kind of reduce it if possible. Reduce it a bit. It's too zoomed. I can't see what I see here. Okay, so now you ready? Number one now. The homologous series is alkane. Alkane, 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 alkyne. I hope you can say it. Number three. That's number three, sorry. Number four. Alkanol. Number five. Alkanoic. Alkanoid. Alkanal. Alkanol. Amine. Amide. Let me add one or two more. Ita. Okay, you can see it again. Let's stop here then. Amine and amide. Let's stop here. Oh, is it that we reduce it down now? Reduce it. I said you reduce. It's too bold. It's too zoomed here. It's too much.
It's too far. That's why I zoom it.
Why are they come? How is it too far? They don't have ice. This is okay now. If you guys have ice, how is this thing too far? Be eating good food, you know, here. See your life, like I don't see what is on the board. Eat good food. You will be eating yam and only God knows. Amide, Ital. Then Ciano. Let's stop here. I just want, how many is this? I think it's 12, right? Yeah, so we have alkane. These are all homologous series, meaning these are all family of organic compounds. These are all family of organic compounds. So I'll wait for you to write all this down, and then we'll move ahead. Leave this one. Are you ready? Should I continue? Are you done writing it? Where the person? Do you want the person? How is I can see it now. Don't mind the person. Even the size we used that day was smaller than this. It was not as zoomed as this. Should I continue? Are you ready? Okay, if you are ready, let me drop an emoji. Let me know how many of us are ready. If you are ready, drop an emoji. If you are ready, drop an emoji. Are they ready? You said? Power bank. I'm charging it. You can't carry it. Are they ready? Okay, let's continue then. So now these are all homologous series. Now, so the next thing I want you to understand is this. Every homologous, can you see me? Every homologous series has what represent them. You know, I said earlier that homologous series is a family of organic compound that follows a regular structural pattern. For example, now let's say, okay, let's use this let's use these three guys. So these three guys come from the same family, right? This guy here, all these three guys come from, let's say, they come from the family of chicken. So this is chicken green, chicken red, and what? Chicken what? Type it out. What chicken is this? Chicken what? This is chicken green, chicken red. So what's this? Chicken what? I don't type it. Okay, the second person. Chicken what? Okay, this is chicken black. Do you get something here? So now you can see that all of them have the same structural pattern. It is completely different from this. This is not from the family of chicken. So this one is from the family of Eba. So Eba sellotape. Or let's say this is from family of Eba. They are rectangle. That functional we just know is them. Like immediately you see this. Immediately you see this, you know is what? This is from the chicken family. You know, I showed these three earlier. Chicken green, red, and black. This guy, by seeing this one, no, this one, he has the same shape with all this one. So it's from the same chicken family. You get? It's another chicken family again. Many chicken family. All of you that are laughing at this thing, if anyone is missing from my room, if I don't find it, you're in trouble. Now back to base one now. So what is FG, which is functional group? Write that one out. Is there? Sorry. Can I use my power bank? Let's go down, guys. So, what's a functional group? The first thing I want you to know is what? A functional group, FG, is a, number one, a bond, a radical, or a group of atoms. A group of atoms that represent, sorry, hello, sorry about that. Bond, a radical, or a group of atoms represents an, this here is, that represents an homologous series. So that thing, please, all these short form I'm writing, don't get them, don't mix them up. So a functional group is a what? A bond, a radical, or a group of atoms that represent an homologous series. You understand, right? That represent an homologous series and also determine its chemical properties. Its chemical properties. So write this down. I'll give you just 5 to 10 seconds to write this down. So functional group is a bond, a radical, a group of atoms that represent an homologous series and also determine its chemical properties. So which means all of this homologous series here, everything here have their own functional group. So when you see the functional group, you know it is one of this. Please, if you are done writing, just write, go on. Type out, go on. If you are done writing, type out, go on. If you are done writing, type out, go on. Okay, one person. Let's bring more. We have 34 more minutes. Sorry? Okay. Okay, let's go then. Let's continue. So that's it now. So FG is that's FG. Now what I want you guys to do now is go back to the page where you wrote the Maloga series earlier. Go back to that page and then write in the front of Maloga series, the functional group. The functional group. So each of all these family have their own functional group. I hope it's not too zoomed. I hope it's not too zoomed. This is enough. So let's start with this. The alkane family, their functional group is nothing. They have no functional group. The alkane, their functional group is double bond. The alkyne, their functional group is triple bond. The alkanol, their functional group is OH. The alkanol, their functional group is COOH. The alkanoids, their functional group is COO. Should we continue? The alkanal, functional group CHO. Alkanone, CO. Amine, NH2. Amide, CONH2. Ether, just O. Cyano, CN. So anyway you see this functional group, you know that this is alkene. Anyway you see this one is alkanoic. Anyway you see this one is alkanone. Please jot this down. Jot this down. This alkyl group. Is the alkyl group. The alkyl group now is derived by the removal of one hydrogen atom from a corresponding alkane. Now, alkyl group is like, it's also important in terms of organic chemistry. These three terms. What happened? Is there a problem? So alkyl group is more of, you have an alkane. Now, example, an alkane is CH4. This is an alkane. Or you know what? Let's do it this way. Pause writing. Let me take you back to page 1. Pause writing. Have you written this? You have written this. Let's start from the scratch. You have written all this and all this. Let's pause writing. So these are the major terms now, because you have like 30 more minutes on dot to finish these three things. I'm going to ask again, have you finished all this? So type it out. If you have finished it, say yes, please. Keep it dropping, yes, okay, yes, I can see 3. Keep it coming. Yeah? No, okay, I'm out the first. I'm out the first. So again, it's done. I can see that. Okay, yeah, I can see yours. Okay, that's enough. So now, to name organic compound is very simple. I like using this simple formula for the simple ones. I like saying to name organic compound is just simply saying here is the longest carbon chain or the name. Here is the functional group or the family name. Like for example now, remember we said all these guys, they are all from the chicken family. All these guys are from the chicken family. So this guy is what? Green chicken. This guy's name and the family name. Sorry, his name and the family name. Black chicken, blue chicken, red chicken. So all these 4 guys share the same family name, but they have different name. How do you get the name? the LCC or the family name. And here, the functional group or the, what is it called? The, no, sorry, the LCC or the name. And here, the functional group or the family name. So, can you see it now? Doesn't matter how these are that. Hmm? Family name. So a good example now is this. When you have C1, what does C1 represent in organic compound? C1, anyway you see just one carbon atom. No, we don't use one. No, we don't use one. But anyway you see one as organic compound, it is what? It is met. All just need to do is add the family name. So that could be methane, methanoic, methanol, ethanol. You understand? If you see C2, hold on, I see this one. No, Abi. Just ignore those one that are chatting each other. Let me to fill this one also. Just push more. Okay, so let's use now. So anyway, you see C1 is what? Met. Remember in chemistry you don't write 1. So then you put the family name. When you see C2 is what? Et. C3 prop. C4 boot. Are you following? C5, and let's see this place. C5 pent. C6 hept. No, hex. C7 hept. Please jot this thing down. C8 oct. C9 non. C10 deck. That is how to write it. It's as simple as that. These pieces. Sorry. He's not staying. So let's go. I hope you have done this now. Now, a good example of this is this. So when you have something like this, something like C3H87OH. Now, from this place, now, what do you try to get? You try to get the how many? The carbon atom here is what? Is 3. Ash. The carbon atom here is what? Is 3. And what's 3? Prop. From here. And then the family name is OH. This is OH. What family is OH? Type it out there. What homologous series of family name is OH? Type it out. OH is what? So OH is what? Type it out this if you are with me. Yeah, thank you. I've seen your Adele. Yeah, Ahmad, I've seen it. Yeah, okay, that's it, correct. So if OH is a canon, it means this guy name is prop, then the family name is what? Anol. So C3H7OH is what? Propanol. Simple. Very simple. Let's try this one. C H2. H2. From this one now, let's bring out the, what is it called? How many carbon atom? 2. What's 2? Then how many carbon? The functional group is what? This is the functional group. So the functional group here is double bond, which is what? Which is in. Oh Jesus. Okay. The functional group is in. Then how many carbon atoms is there? 1, 2. And what was 2? Look at it here. 2 is what? Earth. 2 is what? Earth. And now become what? You put the earth here. Earth. So from here, that means C2H4 is what? Earth in. Do you understand? Please understand. Type it there. Fire. Don't leave them alone. If you can't see it, leave the class. If you can't see it, leave the class. Don't stress us. I don't know what's there. I can see it from here. So what is your own problem? Thank you, everybody. Yes, I'm not. I can see on here. Good. I didn't keep drop the fire. The fire. I want to see fire.
Even that is, you can't see it.
Even display now. Let's go, please. No time, no time. So in that case, I think you're understanding this thing now. So if you want to name an organic compound, but a more longer one, use the PRS. And this is it. The P, the R, and the S. I want to name this compound now. The first thing you find is this R, which is the what? The longest carbon chain. The longest carbon chain, it doesn't matter if it is like this. It could be straight. It could be bent. It could be like this. It doesn't matter. Just count the continuous longest carbon chain. In this case, all the longest carbon chain here. These are longest carbon chain. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see it? Now, root means longest carbon chain. That's the first thing to find. Look at this example again. So what's the longest carbon chain? Let's draw them one by one. If you go like this, the LCC is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you go like this, or let's say you go like this, sorry. You go like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you go like this, from bottom here like this, it will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the LCC is what? 6. You copy. So the LCC is what? 6, which means this guy is not part of the LCC, the root. And this one is not part of the LCC. The LCC goes like this. Let's erase it. The LCC goes like this. Exactly. See where the LCC go? The LCC goes like this. So which means this, and this are the LCC. So these two are not part of the LCC. So the LCC is what? 6. So which we have got 6. And what 6? Hex. It's as simple as that. So it doesn't matter if it goes like this, or goes like this, or goes like this. What matters is that the longest carbon chain? And you must not miss it. That's for number 1, the root. So the root is what? Settled. Now in this case, what's our root? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what's the 5? What's 5? Type it out there. What's 5? Okay. What's 5? Okay, yeah. Thank you. Okay, keep on coming. Let's go now. So pent, that is P-E-N-T. Now, since everything here now, the next is S. What is suffix? Suffix is the functional group. What functional group can you find in as in what? Any functional group you can find is the suffix, which is the family name. In this case, we don't have double bond, we don't have triple bond. We don't have double bond, we don't have triple bond, no OH, nothing. Which means that what? The functional group here is in, because that is known as empty. So it's in. That is it. Is in. And let's have P. So we are done with suffix. P is the prefix. Is it okay? So P is the what? Is the prefix. Take. Is the prefix. Now in this case, prefix here serves as branch. Look at the LCC here. An example of branch, you can have 3 types of branch. You can either have halo group. Hey, let me use black here. You can either have halo group. And halo group, what does halo group means? That's all those chloro, bromo, iodo, fluoro. We can have alkyl group. These are the most common groups, but sometimes we also have functional group as a branch. So H are not branches. Now, if you look at this now, this guy is not a branch. They are not branches. They're just, they're just there. So the only one that is branch here is this, chlorine. So chloro is the only branch there. You get something here. Chloro is the only branch. And in that scenario now, the next thing to do is to number, because if you don't number, you will get a different compound. And how does numbering works? Sorry? First one. What do you mean by what is the first one, please? Okay, if you are lost, tell me your confusion. Let me clear it out. What's the problem now? Let me know, please. What's the case? If you are lost, let me know, please. Oh yeah, your question now. If I continue. Huh? It's not me that they're talking to themselves.
I know that when they insult you.
It's not me. Nobody can insult me. They don't put the person. It's my students now, so they know themselves from where they are coming from. Now, so how do you number now? Write down the rules of numbering. In the rules of numbering, there are I create 3 rules of numbering to make it easy for you to remember. Number 1, number from the function from the branch that is. Oh, when you said we have, it's not halo, 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 halo group, active group, and functional group, So in this case now, not from the branch that's supposed to be carbon chain. Look at this guy here. It's not from this side. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, which is chlorine on number 4. It's not from here 1, 2, chlorine on number 2. Which is more closer, 2 or 4? Except you are actually it is 2. That's the closest. So in that case, this chlorine is what? Is 2. So bring the name out. 2 chloropen. That's the final answer. 2-chloropentane. Do you copy? Please bring this up before we solve one more and then we can wrap up for today. If you have any questions, kindly drop your questions. So I'll attend to them one by one. I think we have less than 20 minutes to go. Okay, the rules of numbering. Okay, let's write that down. Depending when, let's write that down. Hey, Jesus. Okay, I don't think you guys need this one again. Are you ready? I'm not even writing out. Let's check. I'll actually see you guys from there. Adele, thank you. Kindly share. I'm glad you just understand. It is Esther, not part of Omega series. Esther is part of Omega series. Esther is also known as I Can Know It, Daniel. After many years. Sorry about that, Adele. Thank you for understanding now. I am very glad you understand. I'm very glad it was helpful. So if you want to write the rules of numbering, let's start now. Rule 1. Are you ready? Start numbering from the side closest to the first branch or substituent. Start numbering. Hey, Jesus. Start numbering from the side closest to the branch or substituent. Okay, that's the light.
Yes, that one.
Ash, I need one light. Huh? Oh, you mute the voices. Oh, okay, sorry. Our mic was muted all this while. Sorry about that. Let me say it again. Start numbering from the side closest to the first branch. Start numbering from the side closest to the first branch. Sorry about that. I've been talking to myself all this while. So number this one. So what you do there is, you what? Let me give you the hint. You bring out a PRS. Your P, your R, your S. Then number 2. Are you ready for the second one? The second rule? Please type if you are there. Are you ready for the second rule? If there are branches on both, if there are branches on both sides at equal distance, number from the side that give, oh no, let me put it the simple way. If there are, what is it called? If there are branches on both sides at equal distance, number from the most congested area, that's a simple way. Number from the most congested area. So now let's name this one. Okay. If there are branch on both sides from equal distance, number from the most congested area. Oh, why am I this board? How am I not managing it? Okay. So now we're going to number this one also. Yeah, name this one too. I think this one is yeah one. Then this one is three. Name this one too. The last one, number three. That's why we'll stop for today. Rule number three now. Always number from the functional group side if there is any. Always number from the functional group side if there is any. Guys, Tinubu just decided to take our power supply, so there's no power supply currently. So if you cannot see it, please use glasses. Okay, thank you. Hello, please listen to me. If you know you want to get the PDF for the introduction to organic chemistry and you have access to my WhatsApp number, just do well. What you do is very simple. Just go to our TikTok account, TikTok page, and then follow me on TikTok, snap it and send, and I'm going to send you to the PDF. The PDF that contains introduction to chemistry. There, I think I practically explain every single part of organic chemistry that you easily understand. So follow the TikTok account. On TikTok, it is Nelson Learning Space because yes, we'll be going live there on Saturday in the afternoon. Yeah. And that there will be a lot of prizes to be given because there'll be a bit of competition. So follow us on TikTok and then send me a message, a proof that you have followed me, either on TikTok or WhatsApp, and I'll send it, or Telegram, and I'll send you the PDF. And feel free to actually share the account, the TikTok account, to all your friends because yes, this Saturday we are actually 100% going live. So rule number three, which is the strongest rule, always number from the functional group area. So let's do this last one. C. Yeah. CH3. CL. H. CH3. CH3. H. H. Yeah, about this one. So I think this is the three questions I'll give for today. So maybe I don't anyone, just type out your answer and then we'll solve it. I think it's almost time already. So I'm going to solve the solution and then we'll close for the day. Yeah, we only have 6 more minutes. So let's be very, very much fast. Okay, I think the time, let me see the time again so we can start. You guys have given a lot of answer, right? So I said I'll give 5 minutes. Oh, 2 more minutes now and then I'll solve. 2 more minutes I solve, please. So, James, what to become? You have to learn chemistry? Maybe good. Oh. I know. So guys, let's solve now so we can close for the day. For any question you have, feel free to drop them in the comment section. And don't forget, click like, share, and ensure you subscribe to the account. Let's solve these 3 questions now. So I have to use black. A lot of you love the black color. Hope it's clear. So let's solve. Solution. I think I have to stand here. Right? So solution number 1. Use your P, your R, your S. Let's find the root. The root here is what? It's a very simple thing. This guy is at the center, so there's no you can even start from here. From this place. If you go like this, is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's too short. If you go like this, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's too short. If you go from here, like this, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the root is 6. Do you understand? The suffix here is the family name. No functional group is here. So the family name is what? A. Huh? Then the prefix. Is it okay? Should I take it? Just tell me what to do. I can't see what you are saying. Is it okay? Okay, so now that's N. Then the prefix here is, the only prefix here is this guy, CCH3. And what CH3? CH3 is what? Methyl. So let's bring it out. That's methyl. Methyl, sorry. Now the next thing you need to understand here is how to number now. I want you the 3 rooms I give to you. If the number from here is 1, 2, 3. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means from here is more closer. So I'm numbering from the west. From here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this guy is number what? Number 3. So it is 3 methyl. Now let's bring everything out. Now become what? 3 methyl hex in. That's the final answer. How many of you got it? If you got it, say yes. If you missed it, say no. Everybody say they got it. None of them. How many of you got it? Lord the glory. You know chemistry. Are we good? Let's go to number 2 now. Yes, boys. Number 2 is same thing. P, R, S. So what's our P? Look at this guy here. 5. So that's the LCC is what? 5 pent. So which means this guy is part of the chain. This guy, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 here. 5. So what are the branches? These are the branches. These 2 are the branches, and they are both methyl, right? So, and there's no functional group, which means the suffix is still what? Ane. The suffix is still what? Is still ane. So now, to get these branches, these attachments or substituents, to figure them out is what? Is to start counting, the numbering. So one number will be correct. Look at it here. If the one from here is 1, 2, you're already at the branch. If the one from here, 1, 2, 3, before you get to the branch. So what's the number from? Is it west or east? Is it the Igbo or the Yorubas? Where is the number from? One chicken is saying, nah, south. Now you are the teacher, the person. Oh, sorry, Jesus. Okay, like I said, they said the mic was off earlier. So you are correct. East is the correct one, which means the number for me 1, 2, 3. So this branch here is number 2, and this branch is number 3. So that's 2,3-dimethyl. So bring out the total name, that will be 2,3-dimethyl pentane. That's the final answer. How many of you got it? If you get it, say yes. If you miss it, say, write it there, Tinubu, if you miss it. Important. If you miss it, type Tinubu. If you get it, type Donald Trump. If you get it, Donald Trump. If you miss it, Tinubu. Ah, Tinubu, you miss it. You? You are a failure. What happened? Donald Trump. Okay, small, got it. Donald Trump. All of you are lying. Which is Donald Trump? Tinubu. Tinubu again. Okay, let's solve number 3. So you guys can go to bed and rest for tomorrow class. So let's solve the last one, number 3 now. And number 3 again, bring out what the P, the R, and the S. So I don't know, this space clear enough. Let me bring the lights here. Right. Is it okay? Are you sure? Okay, let's go now, guys. So what's the root here? I'm going to use red again. What's the root here? The root is this. This is the root. It starts from this bottom. Then it goes like this. Do you understand? It starts from this bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the root is 6. Yeah, back here. The root is 6. Hex. Now what's remaining now is the suffix. What function can you see here? Tell me. Type it out. What functional group can you see there? What function can you see that number 6? That number 3? Type it out. Okay, that's correct. Alkane is the correct one. So the suffix is what? Is in. And in is the same thing. They're correct. In and alkane is the same thing. So this guy is the functional group. Now the next is to find a branch. There's no branch. Only one branch we have here is this. Chlorine. So chloro. Now after I understand this one, the next is numbering. So tell me, which of the rules will you use to number here? Is it rule 1, 2, or 3? Type it out. I give you 3 rules. The branch rule, the congestion rule, and the functional group rule. Which rule will you use? Rule 1, 2, or 3? Rule 3, okay. How sure are you? Let's see your answers. Correct, that's rule 3. You guys are really smart. Send your account number, I'll send you 14 error. Let's go now. Should we go? So rule number 3 says number from the functional group, which we are going from this side. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this chlorine is number what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 chloro. So it's 4 chloro. That will be final answer will be what? Final answer will be, can I see this place? Final answer will be 4. Can I see it to this place? This is my line. No. Okay. 4 chloro hex in. But if you write it this way, it's a bit wrong because this in has its own number also. Let me show you how to know it. Look at, okay. You do it this way. Carbon 1, bond 1. Carbon 2, bond 2. Which means bond 2 is alkane. So the correct answer will be 4 chloro hex 2 in. That's the final answer, guys. So ladies and gentlemen, that will be the end of today's class. Let's meet again on Friday, 8:30. No, sit down. Or you reduce it. And I think they can't see that thing now. 4 chloro X2 in, I told you. Okay, let's put this way for them. Jesus. Okay, I think that's so. Any question again you have? Thank you for the reactions. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you. So any question you have again, kindly drop it. Don't forget to invite your friends for Friday live class. It's still on YouTube, 8:30. Before that, they will know the subject we'll do is chemistry, biology, or physics. And yes, I will drop a poll on the YouTube post. So come and vote for which subject you want or which topic. So thank you very much. Thank you so much. After I upload the video, please, I will want you guys to come and drop comments and share the video and all to everyone. So bye. We meet again on Friday, same time, same class. Oh, double. Yeah. Thank you for today, man. You're good.